Hi, this is Betsey Delorey. I'm looking to demonstrate my enhancement number 3. I'm in NetBeans. I'm going to run my index. So here's my home page. I'll just zoom it in and out a little bit to show that it is responsive. And I'll go full screen. I'm on the home page. Just to demonstrate that I have tested this in using the iPhone 8 Plus and the iPad Pro and the laptop screens. So I'm on the home page and demonstrating that the CSS validates correctly and the HTML page validates correctly on the index. Okay, from the home page I'm going to click the My Account tab, and here is my login page. On the laptop, that's the login screen, email address, password requirements, the login button, and the new account registration. And if I click on this from the login page, it goes back to the login page. Validate this code. This has no errors. And if I go to, let's get out here, and from the login page, if I choose to create a new account, I've got the 4 fields that are required, password message and the register button. Register button doesn't do anything as of yet. The login button will take us back to login screen. Let's go back to the registration page and we'll inspect this. This is our laptop screen. Everything's there. And the iPad Pro tablet. And the iPhone 8 Plus. We'll get out of here and we'll make sure that this validates. And this also validates. And I think that I neglected, run this one more time, to show that the My Account button from the home page also works. So I think that's it. Thanks for watching.